What if everything you've been told about snake plants is actually slowing them down? You bought one because it's low maintenance, right? You water it once in a while, leave it in a corner, and expect it to magically grow. But months go by, and nothing happens. No new leaves, no pups. Just the same plant, frozen in time. Here's the truth. Snake plants don't grow fast by accident. They grow fast when you unlock a few hidden triggers that most people completely ignore. And today, you're about to discover 7 powerful tricks that can literally make your snake plant grow up to 3x faster. These aren't complicated or expensive hacks. In fact, some of them are so simple, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. But be careful, because one of these common mistakes might actually be killing your plant's growth without you even realizing it. We're talking about lighting mistakes, watering myths, pot-sized secrets, and one game-changing trick that professional plant growers use to accelerate growth dramatically. So before you give up on your snake plant, or assume it's just slow, watch this till the end. Because by the time you're done, you'll know exactly how to turn your plant from barely surviving into a fast-growing, thriving powerhouse. Tricks. 1. Bright indirect light, the growth accelerator. One of the biggest myths about snake plants is that they love low light. Yes, they can survive in low light, but surviving is not the same as growing. If your goal is faster growth, then light is everything. Think of your snake plant like a solar-powered machine. The more quality light it gets, the more energy it can produce. And that energy is what fuels new leaves, stronger roots, and overall faster development. When placed in a dark corner, your plant goes into survival mode. Growth slows down dramatically because it simply doesn't have enough energy to expand. The fix? Move your snake plant into bright indirect light. This means placing it near a window where it can receive plenty of natural light, but without harsh direct sun burning its leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is perfect, where it can enjoy gentle morning sunlight. If your space is dim, you can even use a grow light to simulate natural conditions. Here's something most people notice after making this change. Within weeks, the plant starts pushing out new growth. Leaves become taller, firmer, and more vibrant. So if your snake plant has been stuck for months, don't blame the plant. Check the lighting. Because once you fix the light, you unlock the fastest and most powerful growth trigger there is. Tricks Circa 2. Fast draining soil. Unlock root power. If you want your snake plant to grow faster, you need to stop thinking about what's happening above the soil and start focusing on what's happening below it. Because the real growth engine of your plant is its roots. And here's the problem. Most people use regular potting soil, which holds too much water. This creates a heavy, soggy environment that suffocates roots and slows everything down. When roots can't breathe, they can't grow. And when roots don't grow, neither does your plant. That's why switching to a fast-draining soil mix is a total game changer. Snake plants naturally grow in dry, well-aerated environments. So you want to recreate that at home by using a mix designed for cacti or succulents. To make it even better, add materials like perlite or coarse sand. These create air pockets in the soil, allowing roots to expand freely and absorb nutrients efficiently. The difference is huge. Healthy roots lead to faster water uptake, better nutrient absorption, and stronger overall growth. Instead of struggling to survive, your plant starts actively growing. If you've ever wondered why some snake plants produce lots of new shoots while others don't, this is often the reason. So don't underestimate your soil. It might not be visible, but it's one of the most powerful factors controlling your plant's growth speed. Fix the roots, and the rest of the plant will follow. Tricks number 3, smart watering. If there's one mistake that silently kills snake plant growth, it's overwatering. Most people think watering more will help their plant grow faster. But with snake plants, the opposite is true. Too much water doesn't boost growth. It actually suffocates the roots and slows everything down. Snake plants are designed to store water in their thick leaves. This means they don't need frequent watering like other houseplants. In fact, they prefer to dry out completely between waterings. When the soil stays constantly moist, the roots struggle to breathe. Over time, this leads to root rot, a condition that stops growth and can eventually kill the plant. So what's the right way to water? Simple. Wait until the soil is completely dry, then water deeply. Instead of giving small amounts frequently, give your plant a full soak and then leave it alone until it dries out again. This encourages roots to grow deeper and stronger in search of moisture. A good tip? Stick your finger into the soil. If it still feels damp, wait. If it's dry all the way through, it's time to water. This method mimics the plant's natural environment, periods of drought followed by rain. And when you get this balance right, something amazing happens. Your plant starts growing faster, healthier, and stronger than ever before. So remember, when it comes to snake plants, less water means more growth. Trick number 4, small pots, the secret growth hack. This is the trick most people completely overlook, and it can dramatically change how fast your snake plant grows. Bigger plant, right? Not with snake plants. In fact, giving your plant a pot that's too large can actually slow down its growth. Here's why. When a snake plant is placed in a big pot, it focuses all its energy on expanding its root system to fill that space. Instead of producing new leaves, it's busy growing underground. That means less visible growth above the soil. But when the plant is slightly root-bound, meaning the roots are a bit snug inside the pot, it switches strategy. Instead of expanding roots, it starts producing new shoots and leaves much faster. That's exactly what you want. So the key is to choose a pot that's only slightly bigger than the root ball, about 1 to 2 inches wider. This creates just enough space for healthy roots, while still encouraging the plant to grow upward and outward. You'll often notice that root-bound snake plants produce more pups, those new baby plants that pop up from the soil. And more pups, faster propagation and fuller-looking plants. So if your snake plant has been sitting in a large pot without growing, this could be the hidden reason. Sometimes giving your plant less space is exactly what it needs to grow more. Tricks, Busher 5, fertilizing, feed the growth engine. If you never fertilize your snake plant, you're basically expecting it to grow without giving it the nutrients it needs. And while snake plants are tough and can survive in poor conditions, they won't grow fast without proper feeding. Think of fertilizer as fuel. Without it, your plant is running on empty. With it, growth becomes faster, stronger, and more consistent. The best time to fertilize is during the growing season, spring and summer. This is when your plant is actively producing new leaves and expanding its root system. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength, and apply it about once a month. Avoid overfeeding, though. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and do more harm than good. When done correctly, fertilizing provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, each playing a key role in plant growth. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth. Phosphorus supports root development. Potassium strengthens overall plant health. And when your plant has access to all three, growth speeds up significantly. You'll notice greener leaves, stronger structure, and more frequent new shoots. So if your snake plant has been growing slowly, it might not be a lighting issue or watering issue. It could simply be hungry. Feed it right and watch it thrive. Tricks number 6. Clean leaves. Boost energy instantly. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most overlooked growth hacks. Dusty leaves are slower growth. Over time, dust builds up on your snake plant's leaves, creating a thin layer that blocks sunlight. And less sunlight means less energy for photosynthesis, the process that fuels growth. It's like trying to charge your phone with a dirty solar panel. It just doesn't work efficiently. The solution? Clean your plant's leaves regularly. Take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe both sides of each leaf. You don't need any chemicals, just water is enough. Do this every couple of weeks, and you'll immediately improve the plant's ability to absorb light. The results can be surprisingly noticeable. Leaves become shinier, healthier, and more vibrant. And because the plant is getting more light energy, it can grow faster and stronger. This is especially important if your plant is indoors, where dust tends to accumulate more quickly. It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference. So if you want an easy, instant way to boost growth without spending money or changing your setup, start by cleaning your leaves. Sometimes, the simplest tricks are the most powerful. Tricks. Dark 7, warm environment. Speed up growth temperature plays a bigger role in plant growth than most people realize. Snake plants come from warm tropical environments. That means they naturally grow faster when they're kept in similar conditions. If your plant is sitting in a cold room near an air conditioner or exposed to drafts, its growth will slow down significantly. Cold temperatures reduce metabolic activity, meaning the plant processes water and nutrients more slowly. The ideal range for snake plants is between 20-30 degree, 68-86 degree. In this range, everything speeds up: root activity, nutrient absorption, and leaf production. If you want faster growth, keep your plant in a consistently warm environment. Avoid placing it near cold windows, fans, or AC vents. Even small temperature drops can make a difference over time. In warmer climates, you'll often notice snake plants growing much faster naturally. That's not a coincidence. It's the temperature working in your favor. So if you've optimized everything else, light, water, soil, but your plant is still growing slowly, check the temperature, because sometimes all your plant needs is a little more warmth to thrive. Now you know the truth. Snake plants aren't naturally slow growers. They're just often placed in the wrong conditions. By fixing a few key things, light, watering, soil, pot size, and environment, you can completely transform how your plant grows. Imagine looking at your snake plant just a few weeks from now and seeing new shoots popping up, leaves growing taller, and a fuller, healthier plant overall. That's what happens when you apply these hidden tricks. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need complicated routines. Just a few smart adjustments can make all the difference. So here's your challenge. Pick at least 2 of these tricks and apply them today. Move your plant closer to light. Check your soil. Adjust your watering, then come back in a few weeks and see the difference for yourself. And when you do, drop a comment and let me know which trick worked best for you if you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more plant hacks that actually work, not myths, not guesswork, just real results. Your indoor jungle is about to level up, and this is just the beginning.